Async, await in JavaScript. Async, await is a feature in JavaScript that simplifies working with asynchronous code, making it look and behave more like synchronous code. Async keyword is used to declare a function asynchronous, and await keyword is used to pause the execution of an async function until the promise is resolved. Await is only used inside an async function. For example, I want to fetch data from this fake store API. First I create a asynchronous function, async function get data. Inside this, write try and catch, then inside try block, collect the response by using await and fetch function. Then pass the JSON response, and then return the product data. Then inside catch the error and throw the error to be caught by the caller. Then call the async function by write get data, then result, and console log the result, which is data. Then catch the error and log it. Now it shows the 20 products data. But here this pause the next execution until this promise is resolved.